Did you know that robots are not only saving lives in hospitals, but also improving the daily lives of the elderly in their homes? Welcome to another episode of Robots Helping Humans, where today we're diving into how robotic caretakers are transforming elder care. Once, the thought of robots assisting us in our homes might have sounded like science fiction. Today, it's a reality revolutionizing elder care around the world. As our global population ages, the demand for elderly support systems increases, presenting a unique challenge. Enter the robots, engineered not with cold calculation, but with empathy and precision to restore dignity to everyday tasks. Let me introduce you to Pearl, not your ordinary household tool, but a state-of-the-art robotic caretaker designed specifically to assist the elderly with their daily routines. Pearl comes with sensors and AI technology, enabling her to remember details like medication schedules, meal times, and even personalized exercise routines. So, what exactly does a day with Pearl look like? Imagine waking up every morning to Pearl, who greets you with a gentle reminder for your yoga session, tracking your movements to ensure you're practicing safely. Pearl's most impressive attribute is her ability to learn and adapt to her human's habits and preferences. No two Pearls are alike, each programmed to cater uniquely according to the individual's needs. A study conducted in Japan found that employing robots such as Pearl in elder care reduced the instances of injuries and increased independence among residents by 50%. It's like having a constant companion that not only helps with physical tasks, but also ensures emotional well-being, reducing feelings of isolation among the elderly. Meet John, a lively but recently mobility-impaired 78-year-old whose quality of life improved significantly with Pearl's assistance. Before Pearl, simple tasks like reaching for a cup of tea or climbing stairs were daunting challenges for John. Pearl's sophisticated mechanism allows it to fetch items, move seamlessly between rooms, and even help with physical therapy, laying a positive mental and physical framework for its users. The implementation of Pearl and similar technologies is not just about doing what was once deemed impossible, but is a testament to human ingenuity's ability to create a supportive system without replacing the human touch. These robotic caretakers foster a balance between advanced technology and maintaining the emotional integrity of personal caretaking, blurring boundaries in the conversation about elder care. At the end of the day, the fusion of robotics with elder care reflects a broader trend towards integrating empathy in technology. Pearl isn't just a machine. It's a bridge towards a future where technological support ensures that our loved ones are not left to fend for themselves. Robotic caretakers signify hope, resilience, and the limitless possibilities of what tomorrow can bring. They are not only enhancing the quality of life, but are redefining what elder care means. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today. Join us next time as we continue exploring the groundbreaking roles robots are playing across various domains.